Sometimes what's in your heart pours out into the world, and you don't care who's around to see it. Hunter Dodd doesn't know it yet, but he's about to show all of Easley High School the love between a father and his son.
They will bring home the national title, I'm told, next time, though.
As ROTC battalion leader, Dodd led his team to a national competition, hoping one day to follow in his father's footsteps.
My dad's in the Army. He's actually in Afghanistan right now, serving, and so we miss him a lot. He should be back in May.
But Dodd's hero, Staff Sergeant Christopher Page, is no longer overseas. He's hiding in a classroom, waiting to surprise his son during an award ceremony after a year of being apart.
The next person is our team captain and our battalion CO. Now, hold on a minute, we got somebody else who's going to help present this to Cadet Dodd, his dad.
I love you, sir.
This is the moment they've both been dreaming of, but it wasn't complete without one more stop. Dodd's 12-year-old brother Chandler has no idea why the students are gathered in the gym at Getty's Middle.
Chandler doesn't know we were really doing this today, but we have a special thank you for Chandler right from Afghanistan. I think you know what team this is.
A father and his sons reunited.
Now you gotta go back to class, you know that, right?
Dodd will tell you his family isn't a family until they're together. He doesn't have to worry about that now.